Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on CLV and where I think the token price is going in the near future. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that'll really help us. So before I get going with the video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions on how I see different coins that I'm looking at within the cryptocurrency market. So anyway, let's get right into it. So here we are, CLV, seamlessly compatible, interoperable solutions. It's a substrate-based specialized layer one chain that is EVM compatible with game-changing cross-chain features. So then I was like, well, let's find out more about CLV 2.0. So this is where I really was like, wow, they're really active building, making their blockchain, their protocol and everything much better. So here we go. They're redefining blockchain scalability and interoperability. The next chapter of CLV journey is here with the launch of the Parallel VM and introduction of the innovative CLV 2.0 Flywheel. So I'm like, what is this stuff? So I'm like, what is Parallel VM? So what is Parallel VM? A Parallel VM is virtual machine, is a groundbreaking upgrade designed to enable cross-chain interactions at scale. Inspired by a substrate-based architecture, the Parallel VM integrates advanced zero-knowledge proof technology to streamline multi-chain communications. I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. So key features, faster transactions, significantly reduces latency across different blockchains, interoperable, compatible, seamless interaction with Ethereum, Polkadot, and BNB chain ecosystems, developer-friendly tools. So how does it work? Well, Parallel VM acts as a universal translator, enabling smart contracts on one chain to interact with those on another without complex middle layers. This eliminates efficiencies, reduces costs, and creates a unified user experience. Why does it matter? Ensures scalability and sustainability for growing blockchain networks, power the next generation of cross-chain decentralized applications, and provides the technical foundation for the CLV 2.0 Flywheel. So what is this flywheel? What is the flywheel? The CLV 2.0 Flywheel is a self-reinforcing ecosystem strategy designed to drive liquidity, innovation, and adoption across the CLV network. Each component of the flywheel feeds into the next, creating a robust cycle of growth and value creation. Core elements of the flywheel: automated market maker. So this unlocks seamless token swaps with cross-chain liquidity aggregation. SocialFi integration and engage users with blockchain-enabled social platforms like Twitter and Telegram. Well, now it's X. Token launcher, simplify token creation and deployment for developers and projects, mini apps and games. How the flywheel works: user onboarding, simple interfaces and SocialFi features attract new users, increase liquidity. Automatic market makers and tokenomics enhancements drive capital into the ecosystem. Innovative projects. The token launcher empowers developers to build. Community engagement. So a lot of stuff going on. And then I was like, well, the roadmap for all this stuff, Parallel VM deployment. It launches on its testnet first quarter of next year. Second quarter, it goes active. So all that goes smooth. And then this automatic market maker and SocialFi release in quarter three of 2025 goes smooth. The end of quarter three, quarter four, right at the peak of where this bull market probably is going to go if it's based on past performance of the 4-year cycle. Everything is lining up that CLV could explode. Who knows, right? But anyway, let's get into the numbers and see how much of an explosion this could be. So I hate thinking like this sometimes because I'm like, am I crazy having these huge, thoughts of where a token could go? Who knows? Look at Ethereum and look at Bitcoin when they were just, less than a penny. Who would have thought that Bitcoin now is over 100,000 and Ethereum, right now is pushing 4,000? It's crazy. So anyway, Clover Finance. 610 on the market cap ranking. It's 8.5 cents right now. So total market cap is right now, it's 104 million. Fully diluted is 170 million. So total of 2 billion tokens. They have 1.2 in circulation. So roughly 60% of the tokens are in circulation. Decent trading volume, just under 30 million per 24 hour. So decent. That's still a lot of money. So let's go down here a little further. All-time high, $1.88. And that came out in August, right in the ramp of the bull market in 2021. So, and they had to build and stay active and survive the bear market. And they did. Their token price went way down. You can see here, all-time low. And that was back in November 4th, just to be the day before election. Look at the all-time low. It was under 3 cents, 2.47 cents. It's crazy that just happened. So that's the bottom. I really think that is CLV's bottom. It is in. So what could this do? So I really think this could at least go back to its all-time high, right? So that would be $1.88. Divide that. I'm just going to just do 0.085. So that's a 22x. So, and its total market cap is 100 million. So that would put it right around $2 billion market cap. This market can totally support that. CLV, if this total market cap's 12 trillion dollars, I think CLV could be a $2 billion market cap. They'd probably only go up into the 300s. Who knows? I mean, right now there's over 130 or 40 cryptocurrencies with a $1 billion market capitalization than $1 billion or more. So I really think that this could easily get back to its all-time high. I really think, who knows, maybe could this double? Could this become a $4 billion market cap coin with all of it, what it's doing between the between the cross chains? Who knows? I think we could have a 50x. Who knows? A 50x, right? That would put it at 5 billion. Is that out of the realm of possibilities? I don't know. I think there is a chance that it could do a 50x. But I definitely believe we have I really think we're going to do 20x. So, get back to its all-time high. Just call it a 20x. So, but that's my thinking. I know when it gets to $1, I might look at dropping some of mine. Full disclosure, CLV is in the Bitcoin fam's top 10 coin holdings, and full disclosure, myself and Crypto Cody both hold CLV. So we're expecting big things from this token. So, but you know what? You just got to hold on and you got to wait. And let's go into the charts and I'll show you that. So it seems like when they go down so fast. And when they go up, it's like they sneak up on you. It's like it's not happening. And the next thing you know, it explodes. So here we are. Here's the CLV 8-hour chart. You can see it's kind of just forming this wedge. And as it gets closer to the edge here, this tightness, the smallest area, pressure will build up. And it's going to either break out into the upside or it's going to break out to the downside. The only directions it can go. So, and if you look in closely, like to me, it was in a range, range bound between just recently, 7.5 cents to maybe 10 cents. That's where it would peak out, top and bottom. A little bit tighter range was 8.5 cents to that 10 cents. It seems like we just could never get over the 10 cents and stay there. But it's like the 8.5 cents has been holding lately. So we'll have to wait and see. But I really think this could play out over the next couple weeks. But I'll zoom out real quick here. And once we can break above that 10.5 cents, then it's we got to get to 18 cents. That's my 17 to 18 cents. We get above that 18 cents, and there's not a lot of resistance there, but I think there is some there. I'm guessing there is. So, but who knows? If this really takes off, it could just shoot right through that 18 cents. And I mean, even 18 cents, that's over a double. But if you waited, Anyway, I'll go through that. If you waited to set up for a trade, you want to trade it on the breakout. So anyway, but if just from its current price, you know, from 8.5 cents to 18 cents, that's over 100% gain. So that's crazy in itself. And we see tokens do that in a day, 2 days. But what I'm saying is, if it blew by this 18 cents, we could be up into the low 30s, 32, 34 cents quickly. So I really think, you know, in the next couple months, it's got to happen. You know, maybe a month, really. I thought it, you know, it's still early in December. We still have, you know, 2.5 weeks left. But yeah, I think within the next month, either by the end of the year or the first couple of weeks after the new year, that we could see some really strong upward action with CLV. But now if people were looking to trade this, let me zoom back in a little bit, and I'll finish with this. Check out the 2-hour chart. Who knows? You know, if it sets up, this could be, it doesn't matter if it's one of our top 10s. I mean, you can trade anything if the setup looks right. So, and I'm looking at this. So you'd want to have to wait till it's breaks out of this. So if this starts riding, like right now, it's looking like it's riding using the moving averages as support. If it rides up and can get above this 9 cents, and then it's really going to get above this like 10 cents. When it gets above that 10 cents, that's when you probably want to place your buy, because now you know it's broken out in the direction you want it to go. So that would be, let me go back to the 8-hour. I haven't thought about that. I'm just doing everything right now with you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. But yeah, so I'd say, to be safe, I would say I'd wait till it's like probably 10.5 cents and ride that breakout in from that 10.5 cents, depending where you think it's going to go. But if even at 10.5, and it goes back to that 18, right? That's 60% gain anyway. You know, that's at 17 cents. So just, what did I say? 18 cents? So yeah, it's like a 70+% gain. So, and then what I would put on my downside, so like if my stop loss, so if I broke above the 10.5 cents, my stop loss, you could either use this line that used to be resistance, and that would be a real tight stop loss. You know, that would be, you know, like 4% stop loss, or you could give it a little bit of room to breathe and probably go, I mean, I would probably go myself, probably 7.5, 8% stop loss. So just call it like a 9.73 cents stop loss. Entry at like 10.5 cents. And then, but you got to wait for it. So you got to watch it, set an alert on your phone or something. And then you could set different levels for sells as well. You could maybe like, all right, it gets up to like 30%. Maybe I'm going to sell a little bit. Everything's on your own judgment, what you do. Just make sure you do your own research. And so anyway, that's what I have for Clover Finance. I am expecting huge things for this coin in 2025. So anyway, if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.